up until the year 1999, okay, which is now a very long time ago, okay,
Yes.
not for me, but for you, okay, not for me, seems like yesterday, but 1999 changed things completely. And the reason for it were what we call the Woolf law reforms, the civil law reforms, okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to talk about that in a second. Before that, there were really no rules. And if you wanted to bring a claim, you would just file a claim, you would wait, you would get to court, there would be no hearings before court, nothing, believe it or not, nothing,
Oh, wow.
absolutely nothing.
Before 1999?
Yeah,
Oh.
absolutely, right? So there was no pre-trial, no pre-action protocol, nothing. Not even a track system, right? You know the track system with the
small.
didn't exist, okay? So basically, even if you owed me £10, okay, €10, whatever we want to call it, okay, I would bring a claim against you. We could end up in the High Court in a year's time.
Wow.
There was no rules really on that, okay? Also, there were no rules on disclosure either. So no pre-disclosure, no case management, nothing. So trials took forever. So you could be waiting for a civil trial literally for years, right? And then the problem was that when you got to court, the lawyer would say, I want to rely on this document. And the other side would go, I haven't seen that document. And the judge would say, would you like to adjourn? And there'd be another 6 months wait, literally, because the courts were so full. So this was a major problem. Other problems before 1999, language, okay? Before 1999, language was old legal language. Lots of Latin terminology, okay? So, for example, you'd be standing in court and your lawyer might say, oh, yes, Judge, I would like to plead mandamus, please. And the client would be like, I'm sorry, I don't speak Latin. What are you talking about? So there were all these Latin terms, but even terms like plaintiff instead of claimant, old words. All of that changed in 1999.
Yeah. Okay.
How did this all change? It came about because there was a very, very senior judge, head of the criminal system, called Lord Woolf.